I moved on to the feed page so posts could actually appear. I provided Windsurf with the exact structure returned by the backend and split the logic into two files, feed and feed item. At first, every post showed anonymous. I fixed the logic so it displayed the correct profile. I added a divider between the main post content and the action buttons and connected the like button to the backend endpoint. For the comment section, I referenced another platform's UI by inspecting their layout and then guiding Windsurf to recreate a similar structure. Comments also initially appeared as anonymous, which I fixed by adjusting the backend response. I also implemented an image viewer so users can zoom into post images. Next, I built the connections feature, added a follow icon and linked it to the connect endpoint. If a user is already connected, the icon updates to reflect that. Disconnecting changes it again. Reconnections needed a different approach. A new connection returns a 201 status, while a reconnection returns 200. For reconnection attempts, I added a pending icon with a yellow clock. If the request gets rejected, it shows a red icon. I also added a modal allowing users to include a message before sending a reconnection request. After disconnecting someone, the icon wasn't resetting to its original not connected state, so I fixed that. To keep long posts from dominating the screen, I limited how many lines were shown by default. With that, I added read more and show less controls, and to support direct links, I passed the post ID into the URL when opening the comment modal. If you load the URL, including post ID, first it will check if the feed already contains the post and then it opens the post. Otherwise, it fetches the post and then opens it. I added pagination next. The feed loads 10 posts at a time, but for testing purposes, I set it to load 1 per request so I could verify the behavior. Then I added a share button that generates a link containing the post ID. After that, I implemented replies in the comment section. Like before, replies initially appeared as anonymous, which I corrected. The like button inside replies needed repositioning, so I fixed that as well. I added a liked annotation in the backend so the UI could instantly know whether a user has already liked a comment. Instead of adjusting the like count manually, I used the count returned by the API. I then added support for replying to replies. These replies point to the main parent component, but include a reply to username field so they can show who the reply is directed toward, similar to Instagram structure. This keeps the thread visually clear and neatly grouped. Reply counts now update correctly across the UI. To finish this stage, I added subtle animations to make the interface feel smoother and more responsive.